गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन अँड सभी को मेरा नमस्कार आणि नमस्कार माझ्या मराठी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो. In the last video already we have seen phonics sounds from letter A to P. आज की वीडियो में हम लेटर्स Q से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो चलिए Q की ओर बढ़ते हैं. तो चलिए दोस्तों लेटर Q की ओर. फोनिक साउंड ऑफ लेटर Q इज क्वा क्वा क्वा. As I said, Q is not a vowel. It has only one sound, and that is qua qua qua. Let's see the example. Q qua quiet. Q qua quarter. Q qua question mark. These were the examples of phonic sound of letter Q. Let's repeat it. Q qua quiet. Q qua quarter. Q qua question mark. So friends, phonic sound of letter Q is qua qua qua. So friends and children, let's move to the next letter. That is letter R. Phonic sound of letter R is R R R. Let's see the examples. R, ra, ring. R, ra, rainbow. R, ra, rose. So phonic sound of letter R is ra. Let's repeat it. R, ra, ring. R, ra, rainbow. R, ra, rose. These were the examples. So, the phonic sound of letter R is ra, ra, ra.